In its simplest terms, an installation is the package used to install your files and programs onto a user's machine. An installation project is divided into three levels: products, features, and components. These are important concepts you need to understand in order to work with Installshield. A product is the highest level of organization in an installation project. A project is usually one main application, for example, a word processor, and all of the files and data that the application requires. A feature is the smallest installable part of a product from the end user's perspective. As the designer of an installation program, you usually allow the user to choose features to install and which features to leave on the source media. A feature should be self-contained in the sense that a feature should not require sibling features. A component is the smallest installable part of a product from the installation developer's perspective. As such, components are invisible to the end user. Each component contains files and other resources with similar properties. For example, all of the files in a component will be installed in the same directory on an end user's machine, and all of the files in a component should apply to the same operating system or language. In addition to files, components generally contain registry data, shortcuts, file extension information, and other system data to write to a user's machine. A component should contain only one executable file, and this file should be marked as the key file of the component. A component should also only contain one help file, a .chm or .hlp. Associated files such as .chi and .cnt can be placed in the same component. Components installed to a common location, such as the system folder or subdirectory, or to the common files folder, should have its shared property set to yes. Components installed to the system folder should have the permanent property set to yes. When designing an installation program, your responsibility is to separate the application's files into components based on the file's destination, operating system, language, and other properties, and to associate each component with one or more features.